property. See, just as soda water can absorb and hold carbon dioxide gas, so does the sea. Almost 50% of the human-made carbon dioxide is absorbed and held in the ocean right now. Now, that's a good thing, but there's a catch. Take a look at this. It's a bottle of club soda that we've kept at room temperature. This is a bottle of club soda that we've kept on ice. Now watch what happens when we open them both at the same time. So take a look. This one's at about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and this one's at about 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at the bubbles. There are a lot more bubbles coming out of the warm bottle than the one that's cooler. The same thing happens in the ocean. The cool ocean can hold more carbon dioxide dissolved than the warm ocean. So as the world gets warmer, the ocean gets warmer, more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and that makes the greenhouse effect stronger, and the world gets warmer, and the ocean gets warmer. It's a positive feedback loop. There's another catch. There's a limit to how much CO2 the oceans can absorb. The more they absorb, the more carbonic acid forms, and the more acidic the ocean becomes. This changes the ocean's chemistry, its positive hydrogen number, its pH balance. And that's hard on marine life. In particular, it's hard on coral reefs. See, coral is a colony of living organisms, it's not a rock. So carbon dioxide interferes with a coral polyp's ability to build a shell, to calcify its skeleton. It can't grow, so it dies. And that's not good for us, because coral reefs support 25% of all the marine life on Earth. When a coral reef dies, the entire marine food chain is disrupted. Fish populations collapse, and that's what's happening right now. It's estimated that more than 1/4 of the world's coral reefs have already died, and that another 15% will die in the next few years. And you can help by reducing your own personal carbon footprint on land and encouraging others to do the same. We can reduce the CO2 in the atmosphere, and that will help the reefs. And eventually, it should help us.
The ocean's coral reefs have existed for more than 400 million years. Here are some simple steps to help save the reefs. When swimming, diving, and snorkeling, enjoy, but don't touch the coral. When boating, use buoys instead of anchors to tie up at reef areas. Avoid buying coral items and souvenirs. Don't dump trash into the ocean. And properly dispose of all household hazardous waste. Remember, whatever you put in the sewer goes to the ocean.
What are you going to do with that?